Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be putting detail on this slanted wall that we have made, and for us to do that we are going to put some massing detail in it. So let's get started. So the first thing we're going to do, we're going to click edit in place, and I'm going to select everything and hit divide surface, and here I'm going to define the patterns that we're going to have on the curtain wall. So here I will put 5 divisions vertically, and horizontally I will make it 1. On this side I'll make 5. That's fine. 5 and 10 looks okay. Or let me say 5 and 8. No, 5 and 10 is fine. Here I'm going to put 5 and 3. Once I am done with this, I'm going to hit finish, and I will go to file, new family, then I'll hit the metric curtain pattern based pattern. Once I have this open, I'm going to select the grid, and I will put a meter by 800 so we can have a rectangle. From there I want to draw a frame and a glass on this pattern. So to draw a frame, I'm going to just make it simple. I will put a point there, select set. I will set our drawing pattern to be there. If you click show, you will see that we'll be drawing on top of that curtain circle surface. I will select this pattern. Let's select this one, make it 5, and once I have that, I'm going to select all this and create pattern, create form. I will also have an over, and once the grids show like that, I will click and press create form. I will select this one, and then here I will make it 5. So this will be our glass. I will select everything like that, and I'm going to filter those so I can remain with this. So on the highlighted items, this is where I'm going to put material. So this one will be the glass, right? Let me do this. I'm going to remove the frame, and now I'm only left with the glass like that. I will come here and make a glass material for it, and I'll click OK. That's our glass. I can select everything again and remove that. Try to deselect. Okay. Once I have frame selected, I can make a material frame. So now I have the glass and frame made. I'm going to load it in my project, and I'm going to select this, edit in place, and I will select my family that I have made there. And now the curtain wall comes alive. So you select and click that, select and put that. So that is how you put your walls at an angle like that.